Hi guys, today we are making homemade bread. So we are having two big loaves of bread that are in the back oven, and so guys, I just told you we are baking bread today, homemade bread, and I'm going to do some rolls, fresh rolls and pretzel because we have enough dough left. So it's pretty easy, just like roll it like this, the dough, and then I'm going to cut it in small pieces like this. And then I try to roll it again. You can form it by the way you like. So this is going to be, you can do it like this, you can do it on your hand. It's very easy. And then just kind of cut in the middle like this to allow it to bake. And I'm going to make maybe around 9 of them. Yeah, I need some more too. So I have my roll. So we just kind of try to cut a little bit from the top like this. And then you're ready with it. So I'm making the next one, and then this is a little bit small, but maybe for Milo. So just kind of go like this, and then so I have my rolls. I'm having the last one, it's a small one. Maybe this one I'm going to do pretzel. Wait a moment. I'm going to do pretzel with it. Just a quick idea. I try to do pretzel. Just roll it, roll it, roll it. I make one pretzel. I'll just show you how you could do your own pretzel. Maybe it's going to be faster this way. And it has to be a little bit thinner on the ends so that you can make a nice form. You need to make a little bit more. So something like this. So do like this and just like this. So this is gonna be a mini pretzel because the dough was not big, but that's how you make a pretzel. I'm going to do another one, a bigger one, and then we're going to see how it goes. So I have one mini pretzel, and right now I'm going to do one bigger one. So the big boys. It's just much better if you're doing something on your own. Of course, we don't do it all the time, but we do it once in a while. It's not very hard, but of course it's time consuming if you have to do it every day. So it's getting bigger, and now I have to roll it again. It has to be wrong. So it's my pretzel. Do it again. So we are getting there. This is gonna be a big pretzel now. Like I said, the ends have to be thinner than in the middle. So something like this, and then you take it like this, turn it around, and just make that form. So that is going to be our pretzel. It's a little bit bigger. Tema,
I'm making a snack.
you're making a snake. So I just finished up making my pretzel. It's my own creativity. They are not all of the same size. They are different sizes, and that is the best part of it. If you're doing something on your own and you're just the master of your creativity, and you can do it the way you want. So that's it. Sorry, Milo. Okay, and Milo wanted to help us here. Come, show us what you want to do. What did you want to do? Milo is also doing something. He said he wants to make a snail roll. A snail roll. Very good, very good. Perfect, perfect, very good. Wow. And do you like to put some cheese on it or not? Look at me. That is a very good one. It's a very nice snake. Look at the camera. Very good. Nice one. Then do the next one if you want.
Ja. Da mach ich was anderes.
Okay. What do you want to do there? You can do a rope if you want. Can I show you how to do a rope? A rope is, you can do it like this, and then you just turn it this way, and then yeah, exactly.
This way, this way, this way, this way.
Yeah, right, that's good. And then at the end you just do like this. Very good. So Milo made his own
Thing.
roll. This is a snail roll, and this other one is like a rope. So we are going to bake them for like 15 minutes in the back oven, and I'll show you what comes out of that. So thank you for watching, and just wait for the final results. I appreciate you for taking your time, and don't miss the last part of it. Thanks for tuning in, and see you later. So I just want to show you what I do before I put the rolls, the cross rolls, in the back oven together with the pretzel. I just put some eggs on the top to give it some good color when it's baking. And of course, if you don't eat eggs, you can avoid that part. But if you eat eggs, or you have no problem with eggs, then you can apply some eggs on the rolls and the pretzel, and as they bake, they're going to have some very nice color, nice brown color. So that is it, and we are now on our final stage. After that, I'm going to bake for around 15 minutes at 180 grades. So I appreciate you for taking your time. Thank you so much, and make sure you tune in next time in the next video, and of course make sure you watch the video to the end to see the results. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, hit the bell button so that you don't miss any videos. And for those who are already behind my back, I appreciate you for supporting me. Thank you so much. You are all amazing people. So see you in the next video, and make sure you watch the video to the end to see the results. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye bye.